You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciations. The top word here, which is what you use for baking bread, for example. Flour is how it's said in British English, or flower in American English. It is just like a flower, a plant flower. Flower or flower. Now the bottom word here is flow. So that's when the water is flowing, for example. So that's the flow, or the flow of people walking in the street. Flow, flow. So flower or flow. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.